as I show in the video, and make it copy over the other side and make the hairs. As I show in the video, now select both of them and make it to the downward. As I show in the video, you can check all my videos. I give a link of them. You can make this as well. Now the hair looks better. It's time to give them colors. You can give them different colors. First select ears, eyebrows, eyeballs, nose, lips and eye and inner eye. Give them black color to look more beautiful, as I show in the video. And give them more stroke. This is how your monkey looks like. This looks beautiful. You can make this monkey on himself and give them different colors to look more beautiful, as I show in the video. Hope you like the video. If you like this video, please like, comment and share this video. Give them different colors as well. Now select this and remove stroke of the hair, and it's more beautiful. Now you select yellow, select brown color to give them on the face to look more beautiful. This is how monkey looks. Now I remove the stroke of the inner eye, inner ear. Easily you can remove the stroke. You can select them different colors on the eyeballs as well. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, like, comment and subscribe the video. Thank you. Now you make another eyeball all inside it. Thank you. Hope you like, comment, share. Thank you for like, comment, share.